What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. I am back from National MathCounts in my house, and it was a great time. Congratulations to all the kids who went. If anybody watching this went, you're awesome. It was just a great atmosphere to be in. To be with my fellow gifted mathletes. And you've probably seen on my channel the video I posted, the last question of the countdown round of the Nationals, and that was just a great moment. That was just amazing. So happy for that guy. He won. Massachusetts won. Congratulations to them. And this is the question that won it for Daniel Meyer of Massachusetts. So what is the quotient of 50/40 divided by the product of its unique prime factors? So unique prime factors, so we need to find all the unique ones and then divide that out, right? 50/40 is just 72 times 70. Okay? And I've actually already factorized this. So 2 cubed and 3 squared, and then 2, 5, 7. Well, it's pretty easy to see that we have this can just be 2 to the 4th. So let's just write this as 2 to the 4th and then X out this 2. So we have 2, 3, 5, 7. Now, you could multiply this together. So these unique ones are 210, and then just multiply that. But there's a much better way. From this state, we can just notice, oh, well, we're going to divide one of these 3's out, one of these 2's out, so we can just take 2, so we can take 3 times 2 cubed. So that's just 24. And that is the answer that Daniel got. But that took us a little bit of time. So what did Daniel do? Well, he could have done that, definitely, given that he had pretty much all the time in the world after his opponent buzzed in incorrectly. But here was the second way of doing it, and I think is probably the quicker way that you would use in a countdown round. So 5,040. Most kids that do math counts recognize that immediately as 7 factorial. So let's treat it like 7 factorial instead of just the other numbers. So it's 7 times 6 times 5. 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Of course, the 1 doesn't really matter when you try to cross out something and you completely miss. So we just have these. And if you think it's unique, these are all, this is like a factorization of it, if you think. So, and this, and this are prime. So we should just take all the not prime numbers and kind of pull them aside. So the 6 and the 4 are not prime. And, the 6 is 3 times 2, and the 4 is 2 times 2. So we're getting all of those. So we just multiply these together, excluding the 6 and the 4. And that's the number we got to divide out of 50/40. Or you could just further notice that when you take 50/40 over this number, excluding these two numbers, everything is going to cancel except for the 6 and the 4. So you take 6 times 4, and that equals 24. And I wrote 25. Wow. That equals 24. So that, I could probably get that in about, 15, 20 seconds too. Maybe a little bit quicker depending on how quickly I processed that, but good thing to have in mind for questions like these, because this is the kind of problem that could, you could find it on a sprint round, definitely. Probably not on the target round, because what MathCounts wants you to do here is to recognize this and, kind of think of this way and not just, punch all the numbers into a calculator. But anyways, that's the question. That's probably the most important math question anybody's ever answered this year. So yeah, make sure to give me ideas in the comments down below. Like, subscribe, click the bell on. Really happy about how well my last 2 videos have been doing. Watch the calculator unboxing if you haven't already. Of course, love that thing. I'm going to use it in hopefully the next video. But for now, this is Math Made Easy, and have a nice day.